If there are any such genres in Indian movies that get comparatively good praise comparing to the world cinema, then it's gangster films. This list was kind of hard to rank because most of them have the same rating and all of them have just enough praise. But still, as I had to, I did as much as I could. You should subscribe to the channel before watching this list. Number 10. Omkara. Omkara is the best Indian adaptation of William Shakespeare's Othello, a tragedy that still has the same effectiveness as it had hundreds of years back.
मैं अब किसी की नहीं सुनने वाला, ना तेरी, ना मेरी, ना इसकी, ना किसकी.
Vishal Bardwaj took the story and handled it with his own style on the surface of a gangster tale, and it worked really well.
कि कहीं कॉलेज में उसने टोली को दूसरी नजर से नहीं देखा होगा.
Omkara, with a fiction of greed and betrayal, portrayed a family breakdown in the darkest yet haunting possible way any Bollywood director ever could.
जिंदा रहना है तो अपने प्यार को जिंदगी भर के लिए छुपा के रखना पड़ेगा.
The performances from all the cast supported its story, while Saif Ali Khan was great in a villainous disguise. Konkona Sen Sharma also gave a humanistic, believable performance and got her national award. Besides the all good, the storytelling, the performances and some spare dance numbers, Omkara stands as a great gangster film all over India, and that's a fact. Number 9. Jigar Thanda.
ஒரு உயிர் எடுத்துட்டு தான் உள்ள வரும். உயிரை விட்டா தான் வெளியே போக முடியும். அதான் எங்க தொழில்.
An aspiring director tries to make a film with a gangster but fails miserably in the ruthless underworld, and also he gets a massive backlash amongst the audience when the story got leaked. This Tamil language film is a colorfully rich and no-nonsense drama that got praised for almost everything from the actors to its direction.
ஒவ்வொரு கொலையும் ஒரு மெடல் வாங்குற மாதிரி.
Bobby Simha got the most praise for his performance, including bagging his national award for Best Supporting Actor. Jigar Thanda is actually a refreshing drink juice quite popular in South India. The film kind of does the same work according to its fans. It refreshes. Number 8. Satya. The spiciest and most attractive thing about a gangster film is watching the hero as an innocent man between the crazy, murderous others. In that manner, Satya goes wonderfully in people's hearts and brains. The title is of the hero of the movie Satya, who even being an ordinary man gets into the underworld after getting charged falsely.
क्या बोलना क्या चाहता तू?
हम उस शक्ला को मार देंगे.
He doesn't obviously quite fit in the gang, but this film goes through his eyes, and as the ordinary audience of these movies are simply not gangsters, maybe they relate. They relate being in the alien land with all aggressive heads.
ज़्यादा शार्प पट्टी नहीं. क्या दाढ़ी? उत्तरा देख के गीला हो गया? हाँ?
Of all these, I can't forget to tell you that Manoj Bajpayee has his only national award for his breathtaking portrayal of Viku Matre from this movie.
इधर भाव कलेक्शन जिताया कौन? वीकू मात्रे. मुंबई का किंग कौन? वीकू मात्रे.
Number 7. Thalapathy. Thalapathy is a 90s Indian gangster film starring Rajnikant and Manmurthy. It still stands as a landmark of Indian gangster films, as much as it was full of action, as much as it was realistic, and that got his all appreciation and praises. The storyline is of a boy named Surya raised in the slums, befriends a criminal and starts working for him, and later becomes just one of them. The storyline is quite obvious as a gangster film, but that is a reality. For so many reasons, Thalapathy looks like a typical pointless action film, but it is mature and has some good storytelling from one of the most renowned Indian directors, Mani Ratnam. Number 6. Vada Chennai.
ஒருத்தன் செத்தா முடிகிற சண்டையாக்கா இது. ஜெயிக்கிறோமோ இல்லையோ முதல்ல சண்டை செய்யணும்.
A young carom player in North Chennai becomes a reluctant participant in a war between two warring gangsters. That's just I repeated the IMDb synopsis of this film. In more depth, the storyline of this film runs in years, so it's better to keep it short. If you can imagine the storyline, you can imagine the amount of anxiety this film can intensify. And as by reading some reviews, I realized it did.
திருப்பி அடிக்கலனா இவனுங்க நம்மளை அடிச்சு ஓட விட்டுனே இருப்பானுங்க.
Dhanush's performance in this movie was the best. He made the audience feel like in the state, the travel wondering what will happen next. The storyline kind of gives me the vibes of The Departed. The cinematography as well was great, and it's a fact that South Indian movies care about cinematography and works on that. And I may never know why Bollywood doesn't. Number 5. Black Friday. Black Friday is one of the most eminent Bollywood films to come out of this century. It's dark and deeply unsettling that also stands as a monument of Indian gangster movies.
अगर अल्लाह हमारे साथ होता तो सब खत्म हो गया होता। मंत्रालय, सेना भवन, बाल ठाकरे सब खत्म हो गए होते, मगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ।
The film documents the 1993 serial bomb blast under the light of fiction through different views from different people. It featured some of the great performances of the decades, most especially Pawan Malhotra's.
खून नहीं खोलता तेरा, मालूम क्या किया वो लोग।
The color grading is a little high, intense and timely disturbing, but that creates a unique atmosphere for the movie that lingers. Black Friday above the surface had good insight into the incident, and those insights were absolutely well handled by Anurag Kashyap. Number 4. Purupettai. Like other gangster flicks, this one too starts with some random guy having no idea of gangsters getting into some underworld activities. This time it's about a young man who runs away from his home and joins the rackets by spending quite some time in jail. Being into the gang, he thirsts for more power and forgets where to stop. That later of course causes him great danger and makes him many enemies. Purupettai is sort of unknown. It horrifies its audience with its action sequences. It gives a good insight into human feelings. It's long as like other titles on this list, but counts every minute of it, with a lot of appreciation and exceptional ratings on film sites. Number 3. Aranyakandam. Another word for stylish crime dramas were noir films since the 1920s, and after the 1950s, whenever there would be some stylish crime films, it was called neo-noir, and Aranyakandam is the first Indian neo-noir film. Often considered a magnum opus of Tamil cinema, even though the film is not at all popular. The story here is of a mob boss who has to handle a situation of vanished cocaine and disgruntled mistress. Besides bagging 2 national awards, the film got endless praise, even though few in amount, but that didn't matter. It still grabs so many top positions as Tamil or Indian movie itself, and besides that, a great gangster drama even. Number 2. Nayakan. A timeless classic, a film that can even attract non-genre fans. Nayakan is highly glorified. Besides the bunch of awards it owned, it also keeps its position among the best Indian films. Nayakan once again tells a story of a common man who struggles against the corrupt police force and later becomes a don with the huge love he gathered from people. Kamal Haasan's performance is considered one of the most transcendent performances in Indian movies, and I can agree. It is another Mani Ratnam feature on my list, and the director has so many great films in his career, but Nayakan is his best. Before I move to the number 1, here are a few honorable mentions.
नहीं मांगता है ना तो बाहर फेंक दे इसे। ये देख रही है, ये देख असली असली 50 तोला 50 तोला कितना 50 तोला।
सच में मार देंगे। मेरी जान बोलो।
मेरी जान।
एहसान कर रहे हो? प्यार से बोलो ना। मेरी जान।
Number 1. Gangs of Wasseypur. A journey over 5 hours, Gangs of Wasseypur haunts its audience with its peculiarly entertaining style of showing violence, which is purely original compared to world cinema. Anurag Kashyap pours his heart in his magnum opus, telling a story of clash between 2 gangsters for 3 generations. Rarely in Indian movies everything fits perfectly as it in Gangs of Wasseypur. Besides being technically perfect with great performances and all, it gives a whole new kind of pleasure that sometimes Quentin Tarantino film provides, but it's still unique.
गोली लग गया। गोली लग गया इसको।
हम ठीक है अबू।
अरे जीप ले गया। अरे अस्पताल ले जाओ।
हम ठीक है।
ठीक कहाँ है? ठीक कहाँ है? ठीक है साला।
While the first part grabs the audience's attention unlike anything, the second part even blows their mind with ultimate fun and endless entertainment. And with all these gangs of Wasseypur, so far it remains the best gangster film in India.
अरे वो जो है ना, वो जो सरदार खानवा को मारा था, अजल ने उसको मार डाला।
अबे तो ठीक है तो किया,
लेकिन वो तो अपना आदमी था ना बाबूजी।
सुल्तान का था। सुल्तान अब अपना आदमी नहीं है, समझे?
लेकिन वो हमारे लिए काम।
तुम अपनी भावनाओं को डालो अपनी गांड में।
Not agreeing with the list? Share your personal number 1 down in the comment box and check out the other videos from this channel until I upload the next anytime soon.